My next thing is internet browsing, which is exactly kind of what we already jumped to. So again, get a Chrome account, which is the same thing as Gmail, same thing as Google Drive, same thing as YouTube. It's all owned by Google. It all uses the same password, the same login, all that fun stuff. Google can be very complex, especially if you end up managing a lot of different Google accounts. And I'm going to show you guys, so make sure that you're logged in as you, not somebody else. Make it a habit. And then you want to go to your Google account and make sure this stuff is set up appropriately. This is where I recently woke up, where I'm like, wow, I'm too trusting. Wow, I didn't know so-and-so was logged in. Why were they logged in there? Wow. And now I set up this sign-in security. So device activity and security, all your personal info is in here. There is a website called, I can't remember what it is. Basically, though, you go to this website and it has everything about you, unless you turn it off. All your addresses, your mom's name, your sister's name, your brother's name. Let me find. Okay, watch. So I learned this in a recent Mastermind Wizard class. So it's called the Wizard Circle, and it's truepeoplesearch.com. It's really scary what you can do. So in here, same thing, kind of like with Facebook and Google, turn this stuff off. If you don't want people